How to set multiple pictures as lock screen on iPhone. First, open your phone's settings and click General. Then click Software Update. This is to ensure that your iPhone is up to date and will be able to do this. After that, return to your screen to customize it and add new photos. And select Photo Shuffle in the upper portion of your screen. You can use featured photos that appeared earlier on your screen, or you can select photos manually. You can also choose when and how the pictures will be changed depending on what you want. You can do this by clicking the three dots on the lower right corner of your screen and selecting the option that is best for you. If you are done, just click Add and set as Wallpaper Pair. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.